Hi guys, a few days back I showed you briefly that I got this new radio controlled clock from LIDL, Livarno brand, and I thought it was working fine. It seemed to set itself, but looking at it now, it's 2 hours out. It's 20 to 10, not 20 to 12. So I will have a look at the instructions, which are available online, and see if there's a way of changing the hands settings to get rid of the 2 hours out. I don't know if, well, I don't know what the problem is, but it is 2 hours out. And it was the same last night, and I reset it last night. Thought everything was fine, but looking at it again tonight, it's wrong again. If I can't fix it, I'll have to see if I can find the receipt and take it back. I've gone online and downloaded the instructions from the LIDL site, and one of the things they mention on page 11 here is that the product updates the internal stored time daily at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. I think that might be what's going on here, although I did reset that clock, and since then it seems to be keeping the right time. But when I go to bed, which is often around 1 o'clock in the morning, I've actually observed it resetting itself. It actually sets itself back to midnight, and then you have to wait for about, it seems like about 10 minutes, it may not be quite that long, and then it starts driving round to the correct time. So if you happen to want to know the time when it's in the process of resetting, it's quite annoying. I will now show you the clock that I've got up in the bedroom that is doing exactly that. When I went to bed, it was actually driving itself round to the midnight setting, and then about 10 minutes later, it actually set itself to the correct time. So I'm not so impressed with these clocks, if that's what they're going to be doing, because if you don't realise what's happening at the time, you've got totally the wrong time of day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.